Shalom Chaverim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a demonstration or tutorial on how you use an iOS app called Photo Collage. It's a free app that enables the Judaic educator or Judaic student to make Judaic themed collages of any topic. Could be Israel, could be Jewish history, and in this case I'm doing something on favorite Jewish foods. Now I'm making an assumption that you, the listener, have an iOS or Apple device such as an iPad or an iPad mini or an iPhone, and you know how to download a free app through the Apple App Store. So let's show you basically how we made this collage of favorite Jewish foods. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get to the app itself called Photo Collage, and we'll find it, and that is actually located right over here. So I'm going to click on Photo Collage icon here, and the first thing you see is you have various layouts that you could use. Now I'm going to use this layout here, but you could use any of these 9 different layouts. So let's click on this particular layout. Okay, and you'll notice that you have choices of layout, of frames, of colors, and even of text. You see that again? On the left we have layouts, frames, colors, and text. And if I want to place a picture in here, like I think I wanted to put a picture of Hamantash in the form of a Jewish star, we just click on this part. So I'm going to click on this part, and we're going to try to find Jewish foods in my camera roll, and I found that. Okay, so I'm going to click on right over here. I'm going to click, see where it says Jewish food images. So I'm going to click on Jewish food images, and I'm going to click on this Hamantashen, or set of Hamantashens in the form of a Jewish star. So click on that, and we see it, and we have choices to do a variety of different things here, even to crop or to change the orientation or focus or whatever. But let's just make this simple and just click done. The word done is located right up here. So I'm going to click done, and now we have the picture in the middle, and you notice that I could actually move the picture in any way that I want. So let's get some other pictures. Okay, let's say I want to have some blintzes in the top, and we'll just again, if I want to crop it, I can make it bigger or smaller any way that I want by using the various choices here. Let's say that's what I want, and I hit apply, and then I hit done, and we have blintzes in the upper left. Now let's click over here and get another favorite Jewish food. Let's say I want to have bagels and lox in the upper right, and again, if I want to crop it, I just click on the crop over here. You see where that is? Click on the crop and choose the way I want to show this. Okay, so let's say I want to show it like this. Alright, and then I hit apply, and then I hit done. So we have the bagel up here, and I can also move the bagel around. Maybe I'd like the bagel to show like that. Alright, let's take the last two very quickly. The one in the lower left. Let's say I want some pickles in the left, and let me move the pickle over here, and let's get the last pickle, or the last picture with me. Maybe we'll go with some latkes, and we'll hit apply. So now we have the picture. Now if we want to go and add text, you see where it says F over here? Okay, so I'm going to hit F, and I'm just going to edit it, okay, and I'm going to write, let's say, favorite, V-O-R-I-T-E, and let's say Jewish, J-W-I-S-H, then we'll do foods, F-O-O-D-S, then we hit OK, and if we want to move this in the middle like this, we can, or if we want to move it around like this, or we want to, whatever, we do it any way we want. And whoops, looks like I eliminated that, but you see how that works. If not, I'll do that one more time. Let's go and hit add, and let's write favorite Jewish foods. Sorry for that mistake, folks. So let's go here with favorite Jewish foods. Okay, hit OK, and let's just move this right down over here and not hit the X. And when we're done, we hit done. And when we're finished, we simply click over here. Okay, we'll just tap over here. And if we want to save it to images, over here you see, we just hit save images. If we want to send it to email or Twitter or Facebook, etc., we have other choices. But let's just save it to images. The one we just did, it's being saved to images. Let's take a look at the one we just made. So we'll go to photos, okay, and this is the one we just made over here, right? Favorite Jewish foods. So what have we said? What we have said is Photo Collage is a free iOS or Apple app that will enable you to make photo collages that have Judaic themes. In this case, it's food, but it could be Jewish history, Israel. We could do stories of the Tanakh, etc. Thank you so much for your attention.